Hey people, so on Netflix there was this particular series, no, particular documentary called The Indian Butcher, and it's about this person who used to leave these corpses, like mutilated corpses, outside the Tihar jail. And it's a 3 episode series, and it's a true life incident about these corpses that were found in 2006. And generally, it's been said that this man, he has committed more than like 44 murders. But in this 3 documentary series, at the start of the second documentary itself, second episode, we are shown the killer and how the Delhi police managed to catch him, because he was like literally, जैसे हिंदी में चुनौती, I don't know what's it called in English. He was challenging the police to catch him. So when they finally caught him, they found that he had apparently been the victim of police brutality. So to retaliate, he started committing this string of murders. And he actually came from this village in Bihar where he was one among 6 children, 6 sons. Like, his mother was a adhyapika, like a teacher, and his father worked in the irrigation department. But this man, it went on to be that he was illiterate, and then he in turn had five children, 5 daughters, and all of them were illiterate. So, I mean, the whole documentary is more a social comment about how, these people who are marginalized are that much more prone towards taking up the path of crime. So, really, people, it's called The Indian Butcher, and you can find it on Netflix. And it's it's a documentary that will really make you think. There's no current at my place, and that's why it's a bit dark. But it suits the mood of the Indian Butcher, that review. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.